Liam's fresh daily. What's going on, guys? Hey, Marley. Oh, good day, Marley. Hello. Hello. What's going on, guys? Long time coming, this video. But finally here, catching up with Liam on his situation, see what he's been up to, and give you a bit of an update on his cars, because it's been a while. I've been very busy the past couple of months, so we haven't had a bit of an update, and Liam hasn't been doing much to his cars really, except for selling one of them.
Not wrong.
So he's sold his 335 BMW.
Yeah, I sold it yesterday. You has it now, so.
Yeah, so the 335's gone.
Yep.
And Liam's got a little bit of a surprise in store, but we won't spoil that just yet.
No, yeah, I don't. It's shit going on.
We'll wait until that's solid.
We'll
wait till it's here and we'll reveal it. But he's got a little bit of an update on the 31 to give you all. So.
Well, yeah, I guess so.
Oh, I thought he did. Nice. Yep. It's definitely still a 31. So you've taken your front guards that you put on off.
Yeah. Just so I can grow a bit of mould on the inside.
So how long's it been sitting here for now?
Oh, when did I get it? Last year?
Yeah.
End of last year. Since I got it, basically. That mould's pretty bad, but it's gone green.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
That is lovely.
That's how you know when you got rust on the inside of your front guards. So when you just cut it,
so have you actually, is that the VLT ECU? Is that it there?
No, that's still the stock.
Oh, so you still haven't installed it yet?
Yeah, no, the stock one, that's still the stock one, yeah. The VLT ECU is inside.
Still in there?
Away from the mould. I'm gonna leave that open now.
Let it air out a bit.
Yeah. Bit of mid cooler on it. Like on it, by on it I mean inside the car. I fixed the drift damage.
Oh, did you? Did you pull it out?
Yeah. Set it at the back and then put some primer on it and then banked it some more so it started to rust under it because I was still working on it while I had the primer.
Oh yeah, there's new tail lights.
Oh, well, the original one. Yeah.
Oh no. What is going to become of this thing, Liam?
I don't know. I'm not sure. Time will tell. I suppose.
Will it though?
Probably.
So he's got his forward-facing plenum on the 30 though. That's looking quite nice, I've got to say. Oh yeah, injector hole's nice and all open.
The what?
Injector holes are all nice and open.
Yeah.
Open to the elements.
Yeah, that'll be right.
Shibby.
31.
Oh.
That's alright, it's an old thing stuff.
Ugh, yep, that's a forward facing. Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, all the Welsh plugs are out of it.
Oh, yep.
The new ones here, because all the old ones were positively fucked. Because it was running on, I wouldn't even consider it water that was running through here.
Yeah, a lot of the older RB30s that haven't been looked after, you can definitely tell by all the scales.
Yeah, it was just not even.
Oh mate, that's not a bad clutch you got there.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, it's still got something on there, so I'm gonna reuse it.
I need to
I'll
get
that
machined.
Fixed up.
Yeah, I've got to do Zach's. Got to get Zach's machine.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So, yeah, not really an update then, I suppose.
Well, I cleaned it. It was a lot dirtier. I don't know if you saw from the other videos, but I got it out there with the gurney and blasted all the crap off it. Which there was a lot of.
You blast all inside it after you got the Welsh plugs out?
Yeah.
Get all the scale out?
Yeah, exactly, yeah. But now the oil pump's silver instead of black.
Oh, nice.
Black was just covered in a little.
Rear man plate's looking pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But,
yeah. Not bad.
yeah, I just
So, when's the expected ETA for this project now?
Oh, whenever it gets done. I don't know. There's really not too much more to put on. I just need to get the timing chain's over there where the new tension is.
Oh, timing belt, yep.
Yeah, timing belt, not from the shops. I need to get an external wastegate. I need to modify
Main fold.
The manifold, yeah.
Yep.
I need to shorten the studs for the manifold so it bolts on.
Yep.
Need to mount the intercooler. Yeah. I don't know. It's just, there's not so much. Turbos here, the lines are here. That needs to get welded on.
Honestly, it's only like a weekend's work.
Pretty much. This is some garbage piece of shit that came with it that'll got all the fittings rounded off. But
Yep,
some vices
beautiful.
will get that out and then I'll use it. I don't even
Why do you want to get them fittings out? Are you going to put AN fittings on it?
Pretty sure that just pissed out fuel. Even though you can see how much, I don't know, that looks like it's got white thread tape on it too. Anyway, it just needs looking at because yeah, it was leaking. Yeah, look, you can see how it's all the pink shit's all.
No. Buy another cheap China one, mate.
No, I'll just use that.
Yeah, I can use it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just wouldn't boost reference it. Just run it non-boost reference, I would say.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, no, cool.
Yeah. I just need to pull my finger out, really.
Need to put aside a weekend where we can just get in and get it all done. Have it running in a weekend, mate. Could be at the track. You could be doing Drifty Boys. That could be you.
Could be sent it into the wall. I don't know. I saw a couple of cheap 31s. No, I saw a couple of cheap Pintaras, like really cheap and really clean Pintaras. And I was like, ooh.
Why do you keep with track car, Liam?
It's only
Track
gonna go
car.
on the
Track.
bin anyway.
Track.
Yeah,
track.
true.
Track car. Track car.
Tractor.
Tractor.
Nah. Yeah, I guess I'll
Don't
just...
be scared to bin it into the wall.
Oh,
Just leave it dirty and just get better at driving.
one other thing. I have the keys, so I can't. Is it Josh Fry?
Yes, Josh Fry.
Big shout out to Josh Fry for
Yep.
giving me taillights and headlights, and because I smashed that headlight, so
Yeah,
he gave me that one that I smashed and another set of taillights and some trims and stuff.
So you got heaps of, you can do heaps of banging into walls. You got spare parts now.
Kind of. Yeah.
I'm gonna run in my next one. I'm just gonna run Pintara at taillights and just so I can bash it into walls.
Gross.
So Liam, which bar do you want to sell us for Rex's? And how much do you want?
Pull it out of the undergrowth first.
Yep, not bad.
That's one.
Yep.
Should probably put these on the car so not as much water gets in there and creates mold. Oh, that's...
Well, which one do you want to part with, pretty much? Because both of them are cleaner than the one we've got, so it doesn't bother us really.
It's a hard one because they're really like not they're bad at worse as each other. As bad as each other.
God, did you see the one on Rex's?
No, it's fine. What are you talking about?
Come on,
it's
what's the
got-
price?
It's got
$20.
LTD clear indicators.
Oh,
but
nice. So we can get booked by the coppers.
That's it. And
Yep.
it's even got front lip on it. That's got a bit of dirt because it's been sitting in the
Yep.
rain and when it's
Oh,
soaking
yep,
it's in it.
nice. I mean, it doesn't bother us. I just decided this one because we got to paint it anyway.
Well, if you're going to paint it anyway.
And you know, Rex's has got big old holes and big old dent.
True.
Actually, we will have to remake holes in this side for Rex's.
Remake holes.
Yeah, because that's where his
Oil
oil
cooler
cooler
is.
is. But
Yeah.
we're gonna do them properly, and we all got ducts to put in there.
Yeah.
So they're actually
the ones
ducted.
that are already in there, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Oh, man. I'll just,
$50.
$50.
$50. All right. I'm sure I'll probably be keen on that. So.
Yeah.
So you sure you don't want another pair of these for skidders?
Yeah, straight swaps for a front bar.
Yeah, sounds good. Done deal. I'll give you 3 if you want. It's just that I don't have a 4th one. I've only got three of them in that one random one.
How come it didn't have a full set on it anyway?
I don't know. It just had one odd wheel on the back left, I think.
That's weird. That's gross.
Nice. Nah, it still looks alright, mate.
That's fucked. I can't pull the carpet out now, eh? Seriously, that's just disgusting.
Yeah, I'll track car, mate. You don't even need it. Start treating it like the beater it's gonna be. Completely strip it, sell your silo interior, get some money back. Rip that aircon out, mate. Get rid of that.
Yeah.
Come on, mate. Let's just get this thing beaded and get it to the track.
Yeah.
Let's make it happen. Make it rain.
Pretty fucked.
Exactly. That's the point.
I think that's why I don't have much motivation. It's because it's like, oh, look what I've made. A piece of shit.
Yeah,
With
but
a turbo on it.
think about how much fun it's going to be when you know you don't give a fuck about it and you can bash it into walls. You can drag it along the wall at Archie. They've got the new bank there. You can fucking jump the bank over into the containers and...
I'll definitely be the one doing that, that's for sure.
It'll be heaps of fun.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. Liam actually did a thing. He put the guards back on. So there's an update. Anyway, guys, that's all we've got time for today.
Yep.
So we'll all try and peer pressure Liam into doing more with this car and get it finished. Get to the track.
Yeah, it shouldn't take too much. I just... Oh, those... Yeah. We'll see what happens, eh?
Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.
Bye.